Back on the physics involved with making our cue ball do certain things to achieve our three most basic cue ball position shots, which again are stop, follow, and draw. We're going to go with the follow shot once again. We're going to take a little closer look at it and see what is it that we actually have to do. What we have to do to make a follow shot out of this is give it a little more than just the natural roll. We have to add a little extra topspin to it, and the way that we do that is by hitting on the top portion of the cue ball. So in other words, whereas normally I might have my tip lined up to hit at the center of the ball, on this one here what I want to do is bring my bridge hand up a little bit and then bring the back end of the cue up an equal amount so that I'm hitting with a level cue, and then I want to stroke through the top side of the cue ball, straight through it, and let it become a follow shot just like that there. So if, once again, if we're to do that on a shorter shot like that, or let's say we have to make a longer shot out of it, say we had to follow all the way down there for whatever let's say we're trying to get on that 8-ball right there for the next shot. Now what we have to do is hit even higher on the top side and use more speed so that, see the action on the cue ball, how the top spin took over and it wanted to go along behind the object ball to get position on the 8-ball.